So what's up guys, my name is Aditya and welcome to HD Tech. Well guys, from so many years I was waiting for this particular moment. Well guys, many people neglect this particular area regarding India, and that is the Indian smartphone market. Well guys, this is a market which is not yet matured enough. There are still millions and millions of people who don't even have a smartphone. And guys, currently companies like Oppo, Vivo, Realme, Xiaomi are selling smartphones around 10 to 20,000 rupees of budget, because India is a price sensitive market. You cannot sell a 1 lakh rupees smartphone in this market if you don't have a brand reputation. And like this only, when first of all OnePlus came in India, that was a huge hit because they were providing flagship level smartphones in the mid-range category. But in India, people tend to buy more of a budget smartphone rather than a mid-range or even a flagship smartphone. And now the OnePlus Nord is OnePlus next direction to enter into this market. Well guys, now onwards, mark my words that OnePlus is going to be providing mid-range smartphones in a budget kind of price tag. Well guys, OnePlus has done a clear study regarding the Indian market, and they know that Indian community is very much price sensitive. And guys, the OnePlus Nord is not going to be a single smartphone, it is going to be a series of smartphones. You can take the OnePlus Nord as another branch of OnePlus. Well guys, the main aim here is going to be of providing great technology for the least amount of price tag. Well guys, with the upcoming OnePlus Nord on 21st of July, you're talking about a quad camera setup, a 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, 5 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And guys, there are going to be dual cameras in the front facing camera setup, from which the main camera is going to be of 32 megapixels and a 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. And guys, overall you're talking about 90 Hz refresh rate display, a more color accurate AMOLED panel, and everything that we know about OnePlus. Well guys, in this video I'm not here to discuss about the smartphone, but I am here to discuss about the new technique. Well guys, already OnePlus has made a tremendous amount of great customer base in India and in United States, and the main goal is to make a flagship level product in the mid-range category, and because of which they have gained a lot of momentum. And now the OnePlus Nord is going to be another chapter in the history of OnePlus. Well guys, now they are going to be providing mid-range specifications in a lower budget. Well guys, the OnePlus Nord first generation is expected to be around 25 to 30,000 rupees, and in United States it is going to be around $400 to $500. But guys, if you are talking about the next smartphones, slowly and gradually OnePlus is going to be targeting the mid-range segment. So currently in India, companies like Realme, Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi, and all of these companies have made a great market base. Take example of the Redmi Note lineup, it is very much popular in India, and now OnePlus wants to enter into this segment. Slowly and gradually you will see OnePlus phones be below 10,000 rupees, below 20,000, below 30,000, and eventually below 50,000 rupees. So guys, the only reason I am making this video is to tell you that OnePlus has already got the potential of the Indian smartphone market. And guys, from so many years I was waiting for a high-end tech giant to enter into this segment. Well guys, it will take so many years for Apple to make a iPhone that is around 30 to 40,000 rupees, and Apple is a premium company. They will never make a smartphone which will be around 20 to 30,000 rupees. But guys, OnePlus on the other hand wants to conquer the Indian smartphone market. Well guys, with the help of this video, I wanted to tell you that with this particular move, OnePlus is going to be approaching to many consumers. And guys, who knows, OnePlus might become the #1 smartphone brand in India. And guys, mark my words, this is the best decision OnePlus has ever taken. So guys, if you like to stay updated regarding Apple's ecosystem and regarding smartphone world, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.